Hello, all. Welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Hot Wheels International Friendship Day 2024 celebration. So, before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. As it comes in the vibrant yellow color with a Friendship Day embodied on the sides. It has 24 International and Hot Wheels. And it has a cool graphic on the hood of shaking hands. Plus, it features the blue tinted glass. And interior looks top notch. As I was late to make a video about the Friendship Day, today I was finally able to get the car and I couldn't be happier. Happy Friendship Day, everyone. Or I can say it's a belated. For me, every day is a Friendship Day, right? So join the celebration and share your friendship stories with me using the hashtag chillwithsabi. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.